Welcome back, guys. This is a bit of a sad one for Rappy, or this Rappy anyway. I'm driving up to the Midlands because I've got a guy who's waiting for me who wants to buy my car. So Rappy has been on a 3-year journey. He started as a standard stock Audi TT TFSI Quattro DSG, and it has transformed in the last 3 years to become a modified but nicely modified TT without too much messing around, without messing it up, breaking it, putting cheap bits on it. Everything I've actually done to Rappy has been quality, well, from my point of view anyway. So I've gone to the best people to get things done. I've gone to the best websites for the aftermarket parts. I put some of the best stuff under the hood, which is not a lot because I haven't tampered with it too much. What I've actually done is more aesthetics, made it look nicer than the stock, lowered it, bigger wheels, put the body kit on. I put a nice intake in there. My engine bays are now looking lovely with the carbon bits. Done stuff to the interior, and I've made it a one of one. There's been people who've tried to copy it, obviously nearly, but not exact. So sad day, but it's always gonna, good things always do come to an end. So this guy who I'm meeting, he's followed me on Instagram quite a bit, and he's had 2 Mark 1s and a Mark 2 he's got at the moment, and he's now had that, I think he said, for 11 years or 7 years. And he's watched my car. When I put it up for sale, he was straight on it, messaged me, we've had a chat, and funny enough, he doesn't live too far from where I'm going to now view one of my dream cars. So we're going to meet up, he's going to look at my car, and if he likes it, which I would very much doubt he didn't, once he has a look, I'm going to take a deposit, and then I'm going to go straight over to a garage which is not too far, and I'm going to look at the car I've been looking at, and if I like that, I'm going to put a deposit on that, and then hopefully in the next week or so, Rappy will be transformed onto a new car, and I'll reveal it on YouTube. Let's see whether Rappy's going to be sold, and hopefully this guy is as interested as it sounds, and Rappy will be with a new owner, and hopefully he will open up a new Instagram account for it, and I will follow it like I follow where my daughter's going every 5 minutes because I'm so concerned. So fingers crossed it all goes well. I'm sure it will do. I'm sure he'll love it. I've given it a bit of a good polish. It looks the absolute nuts, as it always does, and let's see what he says. Hopefully he might want to be on video as well so we can have a chat. Alright, let's see how we get on. Right, so I'm in Leicester, and I've met up with the fella I was just talking about, and of course he loves Rappy, and he's going to be upgrading from this. This is Matt.
New owner.
Matt, what do you think of Rappy?
I actually think it's the nicest TT I've ever seen in my life, and I can't wait to get behind it.
And you're absolutely 100% right with it.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
So Matt's going to be changing up from his Mark 2 into his Mark III. I've got a mate that's got exactly the same as that,
Yeah.
my mate Ryan, and he said if I had the money, I'd have it from you as well. Ryan, sorry Ryan, Matt's having it.
Next week can't come quick enough.
So, everyone who's been following Rappy for the last couple of years, Rappy's going to be another Rappy. I'm not going to reveal exactly what it's going to be yet, but this is the end of Rappy V1, and Rappy V2 is coming very soon. Well done, Matt.
Thank you. Thank you.
Matt's the new owner of Rappy.